So I'm going to try this. It's a Mi TV Stick. It is small. It runs on HDMI. Has a remote that has Google Assistant support and quick buttons for Netflix and Amazon. But why I bought this is because I want to make my car radio smarter. And I think if I plug this into the car, it's going to have an Android running in the car. So this is an attempt to make it work. And if it doesn't work, then fine, I'm going to just use it for my TV at home. But a plus point of buying this is that, people say you can just get the stick and you can travel with it. So like if you go from hotel to hotel, you just bring this, plug it into the HDMI. You can just put it in like a TV box as usual. Alright, so I'm going to open this up. Here we go. We have adapter, plug into your wall, 2-pin. HDMI extender. It's a micro USB port. This is the stick itself. And it's pretty neat because, it's really small. You can just bring it around. Remote is nice. It's slim. It's very nice and tactile and clicky. I got AAA's ready. I'm going to now upgrade this system. What I have is the XiaoMi Mi Stick, a remote control for the XiaoMi Mi Stick, a micro USB wire to power the Mi Stick, and also the HDMI extender. So the reason why I bought this is because this is a good travel companion. I do not want to shove it behind the radio and leave it there and it's going to be stuck there forever. So I'm extending the HDMI port so I can put this in and out anytime when I go traveling. So now I'm going to take this radio out and do the extensions. Alright, so this is my old modification, this old HDMI. You can remove it, as well as the power plug. And if you've seen my post before, the old HDMI MHC has been removed already, as well as the stock USB connections. I removed those already. Right, so and don't forget that if you do this, it might void your warranty for your radio. So if you decide to do this, just do it with complete caution and responsibility. Okay, this is the old HDMI, putting it out, and I'm gonna put the extender on first. The extender will go from the back of the radio into the side holes here, which comes out from the glove box. As you can see, also my aux cable is here and it goes through to the glove box as well. So this is some sponge I had from removing the old stuff. I'm gonna just put it in between here so it doesn't make noise with the HDMI cable, and also when the car is moving and vibrating. Okay. And then this is going to go into the glove compartment. Just have to extend it like that, and it's out here already. Okay, now USB as well, using an extended micro USB, plugging it in, and I'm going to extend it out through the glove box as well. And before we close up everything and try to make things neat, we're going to test whether it works. So I'm going to just put this back in. Alright, I'm going to plug the Mi Stick into the extension. And we're going to plug the power into the Mi Stick. So the input for this is HDMI. We have the Android loading. And we have the Android TV running. And there we have it. Stock head unit running on XiaoMi TV Stick. And the remote control.
1813.
To drive.
Dearest reader, the time has come to place our bets for the upcoming.
This also has ChromeCast capabilities, so if you have a phone and just want to cast something out, let's say you got something on YouTube, right? YouTube, and oh, I want to see this Dragon Force playing, so I'm just gonna use cast, connect to my ChromeCast, and it comes out here. Ta-da! No delays, really good. And another thing that you can do is you can connect this to your OBD device and read your car diagnostics.